Alright, y'all, this is my first attempt coming out. Been locked up in a house for 7 days. Y'all, this is pure ice. When I say this is pure ice, been in the house for 7 days. OMG. Y'all, this ain't no joke. This is ice, y'all. This is number ice. Pure ice. Whew.
Folks gonna protect their interests. Thank you.
Yeah, they. Y'all, I do not know what we're gonna be able to find when you look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This place is empty. Empty. Which I am not surprised. Got some turkey fries. Baby, ain't nothing in this stuff. Alright, y'all, well, I'm getting groceries. I thought I'd go ahead on and show y'all what Walmart got. Some little joggers and with a little matching dress. And I like to go here to this wall. Ooh, they got some red action going on. Oh, these are actually like Bear jeans, Bear Carpenter jeans with the little matching jacket. The only color I see is red though. Sorry about that. Okay, this is the high neck or the tunnel neck they've been calling it. And it's actually $38, but I don't see the pants they've been trying on with them. It's dark jeans and regular dark jeans. Most of this is free assembly. They got the blue jean dress. And oh, that's cute. I don't see that though. This is a cute little sweater. They got clearance. We ain't doing the clearance though. They got cute little sweaters. Another funnel neck in black. And then they got some drawstring Bear style. This is cute. Little mock neck with the little pleated skirt and a little scoop set.